So today I'm going to teach you a really simple technique to remove eye bags from this photo here. It's a really simple one that requires a few steps, and you probably can learn it really quickly. I'm Richard and welcome to Zappy Productions, and today we'll be using Photoshop to remove eye bags. And as I said earlier, it's going to be a really simple tutorial that you could follow along easily. You could find sample of this photo below and you could just follow along with this edit itself. So now we're going to look at this photo and then we will start correcting the photo itself. Now you notice that she has some eye bags on the left side and the right side. Her face is not yet touched up, so her face features are really good for Christine. And now we're going to touch up the 2 little eye bags for today. So we zoom all the way in. As you can see, the eye bags, they are not like super dark, but they can be seen in the shot, and it kind of distracts people. So what we're going to do is apply 2 things. Firstly, we apply one curve adjustment layer and then bring it up bright, and then invert the mask by clicking the mask itself and Control I. This will invert the mask and it's a black mask now. The next thing we're going to have is an assist layer to know where the eye bags are and how to correct them. So we'll put in a black and white layer, pull the red all the way down. This will exaggerate the shadows on the face because our skin tone is predominantly red. And then you can see every single shadow on her face, including the eye bags, which is now really obvious. So now we take a brush, make sure the brush is white and have a flow about 3 to 5%. For this tutorial, I will take 3%. So now we will zoom in all the way to her face, click on the mask for the curve itself on the right side, and then slowly brush over the eye bags until you see they blend with the surrounding colors. Or should I say surrounding brightness? As you can see, because this is so exaggerated, even 3% flow will kind of change the the output really significantly, because the black and white layer's job is to really exaggerate the eye bags themselves. Now, it's black and white now, so you'll be wondering, does it really work? And I will show you now in full color once it's done. Just to note, don't remove the shadow underneath her eye directly on her lids themselves, because if you remove that, it will look really weird. She'll look like there's no lids, and I don't think that's what you want. Okay, now we have removed the eye bag on the left side. At least it looks like that in black and white. Let's activate the color. As you can see, the eye bags have been nearly removed. Okay, there is some shadows here and there, and we are going to do that, more carefully this time again. Of course, you can see that I'm actually removing it really quickly. I'll say, as in a real shot itself, do be a bit more careful in how you remove them, so that you don't get really weird panda eyes by having corrections that are too bright for her eyes themselves. Okay, as you can see, this is not really well done. So you can invert the brush and then brush back slowly to make it look even. And then take a look at the eye bags themselves. As you can see on the left side, the eye bags are already gone. Now, on and off the thing. There is a part here that is not really that good, and we are going to rectify it. This part is just a little bit too bright. Down here. We're just removing it, and then we are done. Now the left side of the face is done, and now we are fixing the right side. So for this right side, I won't do it so slowly. I'll just fast forward and do it as quick as possible. Okay, I'm done with the right side too, and now let's take a look at it from color form. So if you zoom out now, you totally cannot see the eye bags, and not only that, it looks really natural. There is no specific spot that look brighter and darker. It's just now that the skin here is a bit uneven, and that's because sometimes, as I say, the eye bags may have a slight different coloration, and you will probably have to fix them in later using some other techniques such as cloning, or for example healing, or frequency separation. Either one of these tools can actually fix that thing up. So that's about it for today's tutorial. It's just really to teach you how to remove the eye bags, make it look natural with the skin, and thereafter you can touch up way easier by using any form of tool to smoothen the face texture up. And that will be for another tutorial that will be talking about frequency separation and how to really smooth out the face so that you could get a perfect skin. I'm Richard, and I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.